Hey, it's Gilbite here, and today I am super excited. I just got in an Akaso Brave 6 Plus action camera. This is a brand new one from Akaso, and just some of the specs. It supports 4K at 30 frames per second. It's got a touch screen, 20 megapixel camera, stills. It has voice control, also has a remote control. Those could come in handy for shooting my videos. A 6-axis EIS, the electronic stability stabilization. It's got an 8-time digital zoom. With the plastic case, it's 40-meter waterproof. It's got the Wi-Fi. It supports an external mic. It does time-lapse and the slow motion. It is a good alternative to the much more expensive GoPro 8. But enough of that. Let's open this baby up so I can actually charge it up and start using it. And I will try to keep it in this camera focus. And here it is. The Brave 6 Plus. Oh, I like they've got a protective cover over the plastic, on the plastic case, so it doesn't get scratched up in front of the lens. And you can see it's got a lot of the buttons on top, similar to some of the other Akaso cameras as far as the layout. Comes with a pretty universal mount here. And this should alright, it is quite tight. Got it open here though, and it is very well sealed. Very well sealed. And that is what the case looks like. And that is what the camera looks like. And they got a little cover on over the lens there. Got a, what is it, mini HDMI and USB. There we go. For your battery will go in there, and your SD card in here. Power. All right. See what else it comes with. Got some bags. 1, 2, and 3. And got a Akaso Club card. A little sticker and the quick start guide. Let's see, 1. That's good number of accessories here. Got some various mounts. This is for the camera tripod mount. I believe like so. And sorry, my Nikon doesn't like to focus where I want it to focus. That'll let you put it on your tripod for when you're doing videos and such. Clips, some straps, several mounts. This is a good one. So we have several mounts. Slide those out. Let's see what 2 gives us. These look like batteries. perhaps. Yeah, there's a couple batteries. This is the remote. Picture, video. And then you have a backup case plate, apparently. And third bag is cloth to clean the lens. Couple, not sure if those are Velcro or if they're just stick pads, USB cable, and your battery charger, as well as some zip ties and a safety latch. So if you have this like on the outside of your car or something, you can latch it, hook it to something that'll hold it if the mount comes off. All right. Well, there it is. Let me get these batteries charged so I can start testing it out. One thing you will need that I just want to quickly mention is a Class 10 SD card. It does not come with one, a micro SD card, so you can't use it without it. So I want to show you how to properly take the camera out of the case. It's not actually that hard when you know how to do it. Right here, thumb, pull out, flip, ta-da, and there you go. Hopefully that was all in the camera. It's in the frame. Ta-da. That's all there is to it. Alright, well there's the unboxing video. Looking forward to doing a lot of testing with this, seeing what it'll do. Please like, subscribe, comment, and take care.